Introducing the Luma X20 IP camera range, the ultimate in smart surveillance. Are you looking for a reliable, high-performance and easy-to-use surveillance system for your home or business? Do you want to enjoy crystal clear video quality, advanced AI detection and remote access from anywhere? Do you want to save time and money on installation and maintenance? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need the Luma X20 IP camera range from Snap One. The Luma X20 IP cameras are the latest and greatest in smart surveillance, offering you NDAA compliance. The Luma X20 IP cameras are fully compliant with the National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, which means they are safe and secure from foreign interference and can be used in government and military projects. OvrC integration. The Luma X20 IP cameras are the first Luma product line to include full OvrC integration, which means you can set up, configure and manage your system remotely through a cloud-based dashboard. OvrC also provides real-time notifications, off-site access and troubleshooting, reducing truck rolls and maintenance costs. Luma View app. The Luma X20 IP cameras come with the Luma View app, which lets you control and monitor your system from your smartphone or tablet. You can watch live or recorded video, take snapshots, zoom in and out, adjust settings and more. 2 megapixels to 8 megapixels resolution. The Luma X20 IP cameras deliver stunning video quality, ranging from 2 megapixels to 8 megapixels resolution. You can choose from bullet, turret and dome models with fixed or varifocal lens options to suit your needs. AI detection. The Luma X20 IP cameras feature advanced AI detection, which uses AI to identify humans, vehicles and non-motor vehicles in the camera's view. You can customize the detection zones, sensitivity levels and schedules to suit your needs. You can also receive instant push notifications through the Luma View app or connected control systems when an event is detected. Control system integration. The Luma X20 IP cameras are compatible with popular control systems such as Control 4, Crestron and Savant. You can integrate your cameras with your touch panels and control system apps for seamless operation. The Luma X20 IP camera range also includes network video recorders, NVRs, allowing you to securely record video footage for easy playback with advanced search features allowing you to find person or vehicle, or both, events in a specified time window and quickly and easily upload a video clip to your smartphone and share via messaging apps using Luma View. Don't settle for less than the best when it comes to your security. Order your Luma X20 IP camera range today and experience the difference of smart surveillance. For further information, contact us with these details or go to our website.